Well, it's almost time to take this bus on this cross-country move. It's going to need a CB radio so we can communicate together. Let's get it installed. First, we'll have to figure out where we want to locate the unit. This seems like a good spot, and there's already holes in the dash. Let's see if we can find some battery power under here. "12 volts, perfect. And it powers up. Now it's time to run the antenna cable. Now we can button up the dash and go work on the antenna. First, I'll install the bracket on the mirror. Now I can put the antenna on the bracket. I'm matching the angle of the other antenna so it doesn't stick up too high. Now to finish routing the cable. As always, we get sidetracked by nature out here. Hey, I'm trying to install a CB in here. Now back to that cable. We gotta drill some holes. Now we can attach the cable to the antenna. Now we can zip tie the cable to the mirror frame. I'm going to run the cable underneath these plastic covers so it has a cleaner look. Now I'll cover the through hole with some RTV silicone. Now it's time to tune the antenna. Needs to be shortened a little. That should do it. Perfect. Now we can see if it works. Well, that's done. Check another thing off the list. Thanks for watching the Maker Hack Shack.